Today we're learning about vegetables.
Vegetables are all edible parts of a plant that we consume that is not a fruit, and we'll come back to that later.
So let's go over those parts of the plant.
Before we list off a bunch of examples, let's think about some vegetables and what part of the plant they may come from. So our 6 main parts of a plant that we're going over is roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds. Alright, we'll start with roots. They are underground and pull in water and nutrients from the soil. Can you think of any vegetables that you've seen growing around in the ground before? So some examples might be carrots, beets, turnips, and potatoes. If you thought of any of these, great job! Stems move water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. Can you think of any vegetables that look kind of like a stem? Great! So some examples might be celery or leeks. If you thought these, good job! Leaves take in energy from the sun to create food for itself. Can you think of any vegetables that look like leaves? A hint is something that you might put in a salad. So some examples here might be lettuce, spinach, and Swiss chard. Flowers attract pollinators that create fruit after pollination. Can you think of vegetables that might look like a flower? This one's tough, but you've got this. Some examples might be broccoli or cauliflower. If you've ever seen them at the store labeled florets, that basically means small flower. Artichokes would also fit in this category. Next is fruits. Fruits hold the seed. As a quick reminder, fruits are the sweet and fleshy part of the plant. They're still technically considered a vegetable, but don't worry too much about that. Can you think of fruits or vegetables that contain a seed? Hint: think of slicing inside of a vegetable or fruit and which might have a seed inside. Great! So some examples are pumpkins, eggplants, apples, and tomatoes. Alright, last one. Seeds allow the plant to create another plant. Can you think of any vegetables that might look like a seed? Hint: if you pop this, it's perfect to snack on while watching a movie. Great! Hopefully you guessed corn. The kernels are seeds. Another example for the seed category would be okra. Now that we have an understanding of how every part of a plant can be considered a vegetable, let's get to the root of why we should eat lots of vegetables. So remember these 4 things. The vitamins and minerals in vegetables help you to heal and see better and keep your heart strong. Vegetables are low in calories and fat, and you can eat lots of veggies without overeating, similar to fruits. Veggies have different colors that contain different nutrients that you need, also the same as fruits. And veggies, unlike many other foods, can be eaten raw or uncooked, as well as cooked. Now that we've learned the ways that veggies make up every part of a plant, it's time to try it out ourselves. Let's see if we can build a full veggie plant of our own. Here's the veggies that we have to work with. We're going to move clockwise on the graphic and put the different veggies where they fit on the plant. To begin, we have roots. So we'll put a sweet potato. Then after that, there's a swollen root base where we have a turnip. As part of the structure of the plant, we have a leek. Next is a leaf, where we'll add the silver beet, similar to Swiss chard and how it looks. Next we have the fruit of a plant or something with seeds, so we'll add a pumpkin. Next is a flower, so we'll add broccoli. Then lettuce. A flower bud, similar to broccoli, so we'll say artichoke. Then we have a stem, so asparagus. For seeds, we'll put corn. For another bud, we'll add Brussels sprouts. And then we've got another stem-like part, so we'll add celery. And now back to the roots, the underground veggies. We'll add an onion, another potato, and a carrot.
Now it's time to test your knowledge. Pause the video and pick what you think is the right answer. Then unpause the video for that answer. If you got it wrong, don't worry. We'll explain the answer once you unpause the video. You can always go back in the video to reference something if you need to. Let's get started.
True or false? Eating vegetables help you to heal and see better. True. They help you heal, see better, and maintain a healthy, strong heart. True or false? Vegetables come from every part of a plant. True. Remember that fruits come from the seeds and every other part of the plant is what is considered a vegetable. True or false? Veggies are low in fat and calories. True. You can eat a lot of them without overeating. Yes or no? I should eat veggies of different colors. Yes. Eating a good mix of different colored veggies ensures that you're getting a lot of different nutrients that your body needs. And true or false? Veggies take up 1/4 of the MyPlate. True. This means that our plate should consist of at least 1/4 of vegetables.
All right, great job everyone. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.